Who do you want to be? The one who makes things happen without making waves, or the guy who cries in a corner because he is afraid? I am about to unveil a truth that's been hidden in plain sight. Attention, all you quiet warriors out there. It's time to rise up and claim your rightful place as a powerful force in this world. Your introverted nature is not a weakness. It's a strength that you can use to your advantage. You have been lied all your life. We'll be sharing top-notch tips and strategies that will help you assert yourself and make others appreciate and respect your quiet nature. So, are you ready to learn how to be a quiet leader and command respect without even raising your voice? Of course you are. But let's not forget that being assertive is key for any quiet individual who wants to build confidence and gain respect from others. Let's get started on this epic journey to be above the rest and unleash your quiet strength. If you can't stand up, this video is not for you. You should leave. Assertiveness is the superpower that enables you to stand up for yourself and your rights without resorting to aggression or passivity. It empowers you to express your opinions and establish boundaries with others while setting clear limits on what you are willing to tolerate. I am not saying you should argue with people for no reason, but don't be afraid to make your point, no matter what they think. Being assertive is crucial for building your self-esteem, boosting your confidence, and earning the respect of those around you. With assertiveness, you demonstrate that you value yourself and your needs, and that you are not afraid to defend them. To master assertiveness, adopt confident body language, stand tall, maintain eye contact, and avoid gestures that signal insecurity or discomfort, such as crossing your arms or fidgeting. If you want to enhance your confidence and gain more respect, dare to take risks, for confidence is the key to winning people's admiration. Imagine you are a fearless Viking. When you have faith in yourself and your abilities, you inspire others to believe in you and your aspirations. A strong sense of confidence will also help you overcome shyness and assert yourself in social and professional situations. Building self-confidence may be difficult for introverted people who battle with self-doubt and insecurity, but confidence is not innate. It is something you can cultivate and develop over time with the right mindset and attitude. Sometimes we can get stuck in our comfort zones, and it can be challenging to take the leap and try new things. But building confidence often requires taking risks and stepping outside of our comfort zones. It means pushing yourself to try new things, to challenge yourself, and to take calculated risks. By doing so, we can grow, learn, and expand our capabilities. For example, if you're a shy person, you might challenge yourself to start a conversation with someone new at a party or networking event. If you're afraid of public speaking, you might sign up to give a presentation. If you're uncertain about your career path, you might explore new job opportunities or take on a challenging project at work. Taking risks can be scary, and it's natural to feel anxious or uncertain. But with careful planning and preparation, you can minimize potential risks and maximize the potential rewards. By taking calculated risks, we can build our confidence and competence in various areas of our lives. We can learn new skills, gain valuable experience, and develop a sense of self-efficacy. We can also become more resilient and adaptable, which can help us navigate the challenges and changes that life throws our way. So if you're looking to boost your confidence, consider taking some calculated risks and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Remember, confidence is an essential ingredient for gaining respect, building authority, and achieving success. Consistency is the key to commanding respect from others. When you are consistent in your words and actions, people will rely on you and follow your lead. They'll trust you, respect you, and know what to expect from you. To be a true leader, you must be clear and direct in your communication, follow through on your commitments, and be honest and transparent with others. You must let them know what to expect from you. Avoid making promises you cannot keep, and be consistent in your behavior and actions. By doing so, you'll gain the trust and respect of others, and become a reliable and respected figure in your field. Remember, information is currency, and to gain the respect of others, you must be a good listener. So stay consistent, stay true, and become the leader that others will look up to and respect. To gain respect from others, it is crucial for quiet individuals to master the art of being a good listener. When you actively listen to others, you demonstrate that you value their ideas and opinions, and that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say. This skill can help you build deeper relationships and increase others' admiration for you. While quiet people may already have a natural inclination to listen attentively, it is important to consciously develop and utilize this ability. To be a good listener, you must stay present and focused on the speaker, avoiding any distractions and non-relevant thoughts. You can use non-verbal cues like eye contact and nods to show that you are actively engaged in the conversation. With effective and assertive communication and consistent behavior, you can show that your quiet nature is a source of strength and not a weakness. Remember, being a good listener is not only beneficial for others, but it can also help you advance in your personal and professional life. So, there you have it. Some powerful tips and strategies that can help you command respect and build confidence if you're a quiet person. I will say it one more time. Your introverted nature is not a weakness. It's a strength that you can use to your advantage. By mastering assertiveness, taking calculated risks, staying consistent, and becoming a good listener, you can assert yourself and gain the respect and admiration of those around you. Thank you for watching, Lion.